Instead of messing with renaming an object in the side menu, simply select the object to rename, press F2, and begin typing. To quickly move between tools without learning shortcuts, press Shift Spacebar. This will also work in other tabs, such as Layout and UV Editing. First, install the Booltron add-on by navigating to Edit, Preferences, Get Extensions, search Booltron, and select Install. Press N to enter the side panel, and click the Booltron section. Now right-click each of the operations, and select Add to Quick Favorites. You can now press Q to access the Boolean operations quickly. Just select the objects you want to apply the operation to, and use the quick menu. Ever annoyed searching through endless keyframes in Blender? To make your keyframes legible at a glance, move the scrubber to an important frame and press M. This will add a marker at the bottom. To edit the name of the marker, double-click the arrow for a text box to pull up. If you want to add another menu to your Blender view, right-click the top of the menu you want to split and either select horizontal or vertical. Now, using the box in the top left, select which type of menu you want.